Welcome to a new episode from the series, Automotive, Benefits Beyond the Bond, where we explore new liftgate bonding trends. Recently, automotive design has shifted, favoring thermoplastic materials over metal for their lightweight properties and design flexibility. Garrett Long, Sika's assembly line product manager, joins us to discuss how Sika collaborates with customers to deliver innovative solutions that align with market trends.
I'm pleased to share the latest trends that we are observing in automotive liftgate bonding market. For years, we have been in close contact with our partners and innovative automotive customers, and in many cases, Sika products set first standards for liftgate bonding applications. But in the last years, we have recognized significant design changes. Metal parts become more often replaced with a mix of thermoplastic parts. As most relevant driver for this change, we identified lightweight ambitions and design freedom. Customers tend to interesting and complex shapes and a design with a high recognition value. Thermoplastic materials are well suited to these demands. Considering that automotive processes are typically mass production processes, adhesives are often the only option to ensure efficient joining processes. Liftgate bonding processes are characterized by special needs on the adhesive, such as fast cohesion build-up, a long open time, and a very good sagging behavior. Sika anticipated these needs and trends and developed the new liftgate bonder with excellent processability behavior and best performance on thermoplastic materials.
Follow us to visit Sika Hamburg Technical Center, where we meet Hendrik Froelich, Sika's product manager for assembly line adhesives, as he interviews Arne Koppelman, Sika's technical service manager, on the challenges in the liftgate bonding industry and how to overcome these opposing requirements.
Arne, please tell us about challenges we face in liftgate bonding.
Yes, of course. So the production of a modern liftgate is a very sophisticated process. We not only need to consider the adhesion, but also the cohesion and the process needs for this process. So we believe our Sika Force 2-component polyurethane range is really well suited to tackle all of these demands. We found a nice balance between curing speed and also nice workability. It combines a nice open time at application temperature with an excellent strength build-up once we induce heat.
So we have a product with a very fast strength build-up at heat and a long open time. Could you explain to our audience why and how this is contributing to the customer processes?
We see a trend towards larger and more complex composite liftgates. The application properties and also the open time needs to be tailored to these demands. Also on top, we need a fast strength build-up to reduce the cycle time.
Especially with view to the global rollout, are there other things to consider?
Yes, so with the global rollout we face many different specifications. So we need to consider the long-term aging stability, also good stable adhesion performance has to be achieved with the product. So with this product we focus on primerless concepts. There's no need for a chemical pretreatment, so in most cases a simple physical activation of the surface is enough to achieve long-term adhesion performance.
At the R&D testing lab, we will observe how our team of innovators applies their expertise to deliver solutions. Yasmin Evkin, Sika's R&D laboratory technician, will walk us through the process.
At Sika, innovative thinking involves much more than just seeking out new ideas. We always think in a sustainable and future-oriented way. We strive to continuously improve our existing products while also adapting them to the needs of the market. We can create many innovations with close cooperations with our customers. For me, innovative adhesive development means to prioritize our customer needs and develop solutions together. To do so, I ask myself what requirements are placed on the adhesive and what do I need to consider. Let me give you an example on a project that I'm currently working on. One of our customers approached us and asked us to develop an adhesive that is able to bond different types of PP, polypropylene, for their tailgates. We faced different requirements that we had to integrate into our formulations. Typical properties that we have to keep in mind are things like open time, the curing, and also the resistance of the adhesive to external forces as well. When developing an innovative adhesive, we must look at the big picture. Of course, our adhesive must bond to the surface that is giving. It is often the case that plastics are chemically pre-treated. With our adhesive, however, no chemical pre-treatment is needed. Flame pre-treatment is completely sufficient. This simplifies the bonding process and has advantages to cost saving and time saving as well.
To uphold Sika's commitment to sustainability throughout the entire supply chain, Vera Fischer, Sika's sustainability and ESG specialist, will guide us through the steps. She emphasizes responsible sourcing and collaboration with suppliers for achieving goals.
The answer lies in selecting and collaborating with our suppliers, who play a crucial role in helping Sika achieve its environmental targets and meet supply chain due diligence requirements. That is why we have embedded responsible sourcing elements in our new procurement strategy 2028. In 2023, purchased goods and services contributed to more than half of Sika's total emissions. To make a significant impact on reducing these emissions, we must decarbonize our supply chain, with our suppliers playing a crucial part in terms of emission transparency and emission reduction. By providing supplier-specific data of the raw materials we buy, they improve the reliability of our emissions calculations. Furthermore, we want to enable innovative developments which ultimately our customers profit from. Moving on to our social and governance considerations, in the last couple of years we have seen a shift in the regulatory landscape concerning supply chain due diligence requirements. It was a key driver, along with many others, in formalizing Sika's due diligence approach, covering risk identification, risk assessment, and contributing overall to improvements in the value chain. With that, we are also mitigating any risk of non-compliance and global standards. It is our mission to ensure that all our suppliers are selected and regularly evaluated on their commitments and standards towards environmental, social, and corporate governance. For that, we collaborate in chemical industry associations like the Together for Sustainability initiative. Sika's procurement teams prioritize sustainability in all its forms, directly contributing to reducing the environmental footprint across Sika's value chain, enhancing social responsibility, and ensuring compliance with regulations.
Thank you for exploring with us Sika's innovation in liftgate bonding as we work towards a more sustainable future. We hope you enjoyed this journey. Please join us for the next episode, where we uncover more exciting advancements in the automotive industry.